Hey y'all, let me tell you something. I am attempting to install drip irrigation. If I am successful, you won't be able to tell me nothing. Well, you can't tell me nothing now, but let me show y'all. I'm doing this, all of this. I got so many kits on sale, so I'm trying, y'all. I'll be back. Y'all, talk to me nice. I tried it. My hands hurt. Yeah, look at that. When I first planted that basil, it was on it. But hey, look at my cucumbers looking good. I got other stuff planted. Can't see it just yet. Green beans looking good. I'll have them trellis up the other half. But talk to me nice, y'all. It ain't perfect, but it's perfect for me. I'll have those cattle panels. I mean the T-posts. And I'm gonna do that string thing for all my tomatoes. I'm trying something new. Trying something new, y'all. Talk to me nice. I'll get it straight. But for now, it's good. I gotta water my grapevine. I got a couple more beds to do. But boy, y'all, this is some work. But I'm proud of me. Okay? Hey. Getting all laying right. Once I get everything planted, still got stuff planted. My watermelons are watered, but hey, I got some irrigation, y'all. I promised myself that while I was on this last leg of my doctoral journey, that I would put in drip irrigation. And I did it. I did it. That little crumble stuff that's on the top of the beds, that's alfalfa pellets. I still have to fill up the bed some more. But, yeah, I'm proud of me. These marigolds coming up. I got them everywhere. But it's just a mini tour. Now look at these potatoes. Wow. Proud of them. So, that's it, y'all. Oh, let me show y'all my grapes. I know I got plenty of time before they come up, but what? 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 This is the second year of me having them. So, they told me that it would take a couple of years. But I'm proud of them. What? All right, y'all. These are marigolds I bought. They've been in this what is this thing, y'all? In the pots. They getting root bound, so I gotta hurry up and plant everything. Plant those around it because I can't lose any precious commodity. Had to buy a new some more soaker hose for these 2 beds. Well, 3. No, I got enough for that one. But I needed some more for these 2. And that's it. What? Y'all hear that water? What? I cut off the tomato leaves at the bottom. That one is finally fruit. Well, not finally fruiting, it just started fruiting. It's coming along. New beds, new garden, what you say? All right, happy gardening.